Three-quarters cup cooking oil. 2 medium-sized onion cut in slices. Cook on medium flame until golden brown. Set aside. 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. 1 tablespoon ginger and garlic paste. Cook for 1 minute. 600 grams chicken. Cook on medium flame until color changes. One teaspoon salt. 1 teaspoon red chili powder. 1/2 teaspoon black pepper powder. 1/2 teaspoon turmeric powder. Cook for 4 minutes. Two medium-sized tomatoes. Add brown onion. 1/4 cup water. Grind well. Add grind mix. Cover and cook for 8 minutes. One 1/2 teaspoon allspices powder. 1 tablespoon lemon juice.